Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel where we always keep it vegan and delicious. Today, I'm excited to share with you one of my all-time favorite recipes, vegan chocolate chip muffins. We're making these muffins with peanut butter, cinnamon, maple syrup, and bananas. Doesn't that sound amazing? And let's not forget about the chocolate chips, because who doesn't need a little bit of chocolate in their life? Am I right? So if you're looking for a tasty vegan treat that won't disappoint, then stick around because we're gonna whip up some muffins that will make your taste buds dance with joy. Let's get baking. We're gonna start with our dry ingredients. I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Make sure when you're measuring it, you spoon the flour into the measuring cup and level it out. To the flour, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I'm using 1 tablespoon of flaxseed. Flaxseed is high in fiber and can help to bind the other ingredients together. It's also high in omega-3 fatty acids, which makes these muffins even healthier. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. I'm just gonna whisk that together gently. We're gonna pass our dry ingredients through a sifter. Sifting helps to remove any clumps in the dry ingredients, which can result in an uneven texture and flavor. It also helps to aerate the dry ingredients, which will make your muffins a lot more light and fluffy. Now we'll start to add the wet ingredients. I'm using 2 mashed bananas. Banana not only adds a natural sweetness to these muffins, but it keeps them moist and fluffy. And who doesn't love a good banana bread? We're gonna use 6 tablespoons of peanut butter. The peanut butter adds healthy fats and protein to the mix, and don't forget flavor. I'm using a cup of cashew milk, but you can use any type of plant-based milk. Cashew milk just tends to be a little more creamy, which will make the end result a lot more rich. 1 cup of maple syrup. I love using maple syrup in baking because it's a natural sweetener that's lower in calories than regular sugar. Then add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And lastly, I'm gonna add in 1 cup of vegan chocolate chips. This recipe is so versatile, you can add different mix-ins like chopped nuts and dried fruit. It always turns out delicious and it's great for breakfast on the go. Now we just need to mix it up. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I have a 12-slot muffin tray and I'm using standard 2-inch baking cups. If you don't have baking cups, you can always grease the muffin tray and just pour the filling straight in. I'm gonna ladle this into each cup and you can fill it all the way to the top. Now you can bake them in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until they're golden brown. Every oven is different, so to check to see if they're done, insert a toothpick into the center of one of them. If it comes out clean, it's ready. Our muffins have now finished baking and we just need to let them cool before we can indulge in their deliciousness. I can't wait any longer. It came out perfect. The banana, cinnamon, and peanut butter really come through. And the chocolate chips add the perfect amount of sweetness. This is something I could eat every single day. And there you have it, folks. Delicious vegan chocolate chip muffins that are perfect for any time of the day. Whether you're vegan or just looking to try something new, I promise you, you won't be disappointed by this recipe. Check out earth2rocko.com for the full ingredient list and instructions for today's recipe. And show your love by giving this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for updates on all of my latest videos. Until next time,